105 is the number that comes to my head.
Si Ann naman, sipag sa bahay, alaga sa mga bata, masikaso, yun, gusto ka sa kanya. Kaya hindi siya maingay, relax lang.
Nag-pray ko talaga just because I have a past relationship before. And I pray to God na hopefully this time, makamit ko yung guy na magiging totoo ko sa sarili ko. And when Kevin, everything's just fine. How beautiful relationship it is.
I'll say, will you marry me? I swear that I will mean it. I say, will you marry me? Sing it. Oh yeah. How many
Love, thank you sa pag-guide mo sa amin palagi, pag-asikaso, pagmamahal. Sana pagtagal, ganun pa rin tayo, walang magbago. Yun lang, salamat.
Love, thank you for being here for me always, for understanding me for all my flaws. And I thank God that I met the guy like you. We have differences, but still, we managed to be, to handle each other. And I'm happy with that.
will you marry me? I swear that I will mean it. I say, will you marry me?
Love, pangako naman pag mag-asawa na tayo. Ganun pa rin, walang magbabago. Mas pagbubutihin pa natin na pag-guide sa mga anak, sa ating dalawa, mga priorities natin, yung mga plano natin. Sana matupad lahat siya. Thank you. I love you.
That day when I'll say, will you marry me? I swear that I will mean it. I say, will you marry me? I'll say,
Sa pamamagitan ng Panginoon, nagtagpo yung inyong mga landas, and now you are here, and as you join together to become one, you will be walking one path because you are going to be one.
Kasi si Ann, inaano niya ako na mag-work, na ganito. Kung ano yung mga hindi ko na ituloy dati, parang inano niya sa akin na ituloy mo, ganyan. Binild up niya ako na ganito, tuloy mo yung ganito mo, gusto mo ng ganyan.
Love, actually, I cannot promise anything. But one thing is for sure, I promise na pipiliin ko yung pamilya natin. Pipiliin kita araw-araw to be committed every day.
Marriage is really a commitment that you make before God. Itong inyong kasalan na ito ay isang regalo din ng Panginoon sa inyo. Something that God values so much, and you have to honor it. Kevin and Ann, I now pronounce you as man and wife. You are now married in the eyes of God and in the eyes of men.